Estamos juntos la fight.
Yeah, but
So I have some whitening strips on right now, so I might sound very weird. But I'm gonna show you what I've been doing for my skincare, which has helped my skin tremendously. Like right now I don't have any pimples, I just do have red marks on my chin, and I have red marks on my chest too. Like your acne has a lot to do with that, and also just I wasn't eating healthy, so I started eating healthy and eating more at home. So I think like maybe my body's like reacting. My acne was really bad, like even during it, so now it's getting better. It's like, you know, I think it's part of the healing process. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I've been using the Paula's Choice. Then I go in with the niacinamide from The Ordinary, the snail mucin from C-O-R, no, I don't know how to spell it. Coserix? It's right here. If this decides to focus. Okay, so it's right here. I don't know if it's focusing. It's right there. But it's really good. It makes my face feel very hydrated. Please correct me if I'm saying it wrong, but the Caudalie? Oh my god. I don't know how to say it. This is my first time using it, guys. So I'm very excited because I've been hearing so many good reviews. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna do that all over my face. What percent? I think it's 82% or 90%. What is it called? 82% more better than vitamin C serum. So we're gonna give this baby a try. Go in with this moisturizer. A lot of people say it's really good, so I'm gonna go in with that. It decides. So go in with the Grande Lash. I completely recommend this, and if you haven't tried it, girl, you need to try it because you'll get the best lashes in the world. So I've been reading this book and it's called Single and Secure, and I feel like it's been helping me a lot recently, like finally wanting to be single and just be by myself and be alone, but also be secure with myself and not, you know, depend on other people or depend on distractions or depend on just talking, you know, being in that talking stage. So I don't want to be like that. I actually just want to be single and alone and secure in myself and not needing anyone else, and obviously being secure with my relationship with God. So this book is by Rachel Wilkerson, the pastor of Vue Church, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm about to finish, and I haven't finished yet, but I literally have this much left, so we're gonna finish the book today. It's 8:30 p.m. and I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I know I'm gonna feel so much better after reading it. So that's what we're gonna do. Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my matcha recipe. I feel like everyone should try this, and some people are probably new here, so I'm gonna do it again. But what's in here, I already added the vanilla extract. No, this is vanilla stevia. It's a sweetener. Stevia is better for sugar, so I get this one. I got this one in Fresh Market. I don't track this. I don't know how much I use. I use like 4 scoops of matcha and half of a teaspoon. So I used 4 of these. And now I'm gonna add coconut water. I add a lot of coconut water to give it flavor. I'm a coconut girly, so I love it. And I use my matcha whisk. I need a new matcha whisk. Don't judge. I always forget to buy one. I need one. But yeah, you just whisk it. I don't put hot water or boiling water. I don't know why people do that. Like, it tastes the same for me. Put a little bit of this today. I always make a mess. Vanilla milk. I love this milk because it only has 4 ingredients, but it's almond milk. And then I fill up the rest with almond milk, but obviously I don't have any. So I do half milk, half matcha, and it tastes amazing. What I've been eating is protein pancakes, and it's kind of bad. Like, I have an obsession right now. This is so good. You guys definitely need to go try my matcha recipe. If you don't like matcha, try this one. It doesn't have that much sugar compared to the other freaking matcha places. This probably only has 9 grams of sugar, and that's it. Bomb.
Naturally go in bed at 9. I just am having a hard time like falling asleep right away.
But yeah, we finished the groceries. It started raining when I got out of the grocery store, but thank God it was like drizzling. That's what we did. I'll show you a grocery haul when I get home. And yeah.
Everybody say good morning to Cece. Buenos días, nene. Buenos días.
we obviously got the tuna cotto. I had to pass by here and get it. I'm so hungry. I was gonna get it before my hair, but I was running late. So good. I haven't tasted the pot. I haven't even tasted the tuna yet, and I think it's so good. Too good. This place kind of scares me, so we're gonna leave. So we're leaving. I got hit here in Wynwood like a few months ago, and I was so scared, and nothing else happened to my car, and I still haven't gotten it fixed to this day. It's like a little bump, but it wasn't that bad. But it was so scary. Like, I was literally shaking. Like, I was parked and the car just hit me. We're gonna put some Lana right, because that's been the vibe lately. I was really gonna drink a matcha, but it's 8 p.m. I need to sleep early today because I look, you wanna wake up early every single day to journal. Oh my god, guys, the chair got here. I don't know if I told you guys. So I ordered a chair where I can journal and read my book. I love my hair. Like, I love it. I feel so like put together when I have my blowout. If you guys are in the Miami area, I've always had good hairstylists, or people that dye my hair. Only 2, and I love Dan. You guys should go to IGK and ask for Dan. And then the second one is Lena. She's like the Kendall area. I love her too. She's always done my hair. Life has been pretty good lately, and very focusing on myself, focusing on the business, focusing on the gym. Like, I literally go to the gym every week and I don't skip a day. Literally don't skip a day. And if I skip a day, it's because I need to, like, I'm very occupied. But my body, I feel like it's been super lean lately, and I've been eating very healthy. I feel like when you're in a relationship, the bad thing is that you guys like to eat bad together, go out to eat a lot. So I think that's a bad thing, but I don't know, I've been very focusing on myself, very committed, very just learning how to heal by myself. Not like, I'm still in the healing stage, obviously, but I obviously need to, like, I just want to be alone. I'm at this age, I'm at this point where I just want to be alone. I want to be single and just focus on myself, like, on myself, for myself, like, do things alone, go places alone, read a book at a park. Focus on myself, for myself, no distractions. Like, I'm at this point where I'm very vulnerable and easy, and I don't want to give anyone that access to me. Never been single, literally. And when I was single, I was like a little baby. I was a little child. So I have a lot to learn about myself. I have a lot to learn about life, about business. If you got out of a relationship, babes, and you're alone and you think that this is the worst thing, just letting you know that's the best thing that could ever happen to you. A breakup is a blessing in disguise. And it's literally a time, the only person you ever should be scared of losing is yourself and God. If you don't have God, just like we need food to eat and water to drink, or either we'll die, it's the same thing with God and focusing on ourselves. Like, without God, your spirit gets hungry, you start gossiping, you start judging people, but yeah, your spirit gets very down. And that's what I think. Like, without God, like, and I'm gonna be honest, sometimes there are times, obviously because I'm a human, where I'm not super close to God or relationship with God, and I feel very distant and very sad and very emotional and not wise. That's what happens when you're distant from God. So really, this point in my life is called peace, if you heard that sound, and focusing on myself, literally. So yeah, I love this sweater. I got it in Aritzia. My camera's about to die, but that was a little chat with you guys, a little talk, a little motivation for you. But yeah, it's raining so bad, it's gonna thunder. I hope when I get home it's not raining, because I just did my hair. But I love you guys.
There's a boss guy here. It's so cute. It's like a bear.
Come like this. I don't have to get a screwdriver or anything, but the materials are all in the box. We're gonna call this the healing seat, of where we heal, of where we cry, of where we learn, of where we journal. So good.
So in a place where unforgiveness and offense would try to take your appetite, he's saying, I've prepared a table for you. Job 38, it is this discourse and this conversation that his friends are having, in which they are accused. I'm almost done. He says, strangers will shepherd your flocks, and foreigners will work your fields, and you will be called the priests of the Lord. You will be named ministers of the Lord. You will feed on the wealth of nations, and their riches you will boast. Instead of your shame, you will receive a double portion, and instead of your disgrace, you will rejoice in your inheritance.
So, good morning. Today is Tuesday, and it's 6:10 right now.